Once upon a time, in a vast desert, a curious cat named Whiskers wandered away from her home in search of adventure. As she trekked through the sandy dunes, she came across a majestic camel named Sahara. Sahara, with her gentle eyes and soft padded feet, gazed at Whiskers with surprise. "What brings a little cat like you to the desert?" she asked. Whiskers, with her twitching tail and perked up ears, explained that she was on a quest to explore the world beyond her home. Sahara, intrigued by Whiskers' sense of adventure, offered to take her on a journey across the desert. As they traveled, Sahara taught Whiskers about the desert's secrets, where to find the sweetest dates, how to navigate by the stars, and how to protect oneself from the scorching sun. Whiskers, in turn, shared her knowledge of the city, how to chase mice, where to find the best hiding spots, and how to persuade humans for treats. Together, the unlikely duo faced many challenges: treacherous sandstorms, hungry predators, and blistering heat. But through it all, they relied on each other's strengths and weaknesses, learning to trust and appreciate their differences. One day, as they reached an oasis, Whiskers realized that she had grown attached to Sahara and the desert way of life. She knew it was time to return home, but she promised Sahara that she would never forget their incredible journey together. Sahara, with a gentle nod, bid Whiskers farewell, knowing that their friendship would transcend distance and time. From that day on, Whiskers would often gaze up at the stars, remembering the camel who had taught her the true meaning of adventure, friendship, and the beauty of the desert. The moral of the story is that true friendships can transcend distance, time, and even species. Sahara and Whiskers' bond shows that meaningful connections can be made with others, and that these relationships can have a lasting impact on our lives.